Good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 5, data handling. In your day-to-day life, you might have come across information such as runs made by a batsman in the last 10 matches, marks scored by the students of your class in mathematics test. The information collected in all such cases is called data. Sometimes data is represented graphically to give a clear idea of what it represents. In your earlier classes, you have learned how to represent data using different types of graphs. Like this is pictograph, pictorial representation of data using symbols. This is bar graph, in which data is represented using bars. Then this is double bar graph, a bar graph showing two sets of data simultaneously. It is useful for comparison of data, like here you can see marks scored by student in math, social science, English in 2 different years. Now the most important thing when we represent data, first of all, we should organize the data. Usually data available to us is in an unorganized form called raw data. To draw meaningful inferences, we need to organize the data systematically. For example, a group of students was asked for their favorite subject and the results were listed as below. Like some of the children said that they like art, some said math, some said science, and some said English as their favorite subject. So the question arises, which is the most liked subject and the one least liked subject? It is not easy to answer the question looking at the choices when the data is given in an unsystematic or in an unorganized form. We can arrange data, this type of unorganized data, in a table using tally marks like this. Here you can see 3 columns. In one column subjects are mentioned. The next column is for tally marks, and then the third column is for number of students. Here, like art, subject art is liked by 7 students. So this is shown by tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4 vertical lines are crossed by a slanting line to represent 5 students, and then 2 more vertical lines, so 7 students. Mathematics is liked by 5 students, science is liked by 6, English is liked by 4 students. The number of tallies before each subject gives the number of students who like that particular subject. This is known as the frequency of the subject. Frequency gives the number of times that a particular entry occurs. The table made is known as frequency distribution table. Students, today we will study till here. Tomorrow we will start with some more topic. Now your homework is exercise 5.1 question number 2. I am repeating this again. Exercise 5.1 question number 2. You have to make a frequency distribution table like this and also draw a bar graph. And question number 1 also you will try to answer by yourself in your book only. And question number 2 you will do in your maths copy. And today till here. Then tomorrow we will do more. Thank you, children.